Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the worksheet 6 of factors and multiples. Now coming to the third question, find the LCM by common division method. So hope you remember the common division method. You have to write all the numbers and find the, you have to do the prime factorization, isn't it? So it is 12, 15, 45, then together you have to divide. Now first this is an even number, so start with the 2. 2 6 are 12, 15 as it is, 45 as it is. Hope you remember, if the number is not divisible by 2, then you have to write it as it is. Next again, it is an even number, so start with divide by 2. 2 3s are 6, 15 as it is, 45 as it is. Now it is not divisible by 2, you have to see for 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 1 remains, 5s are 15. Now 15 is divisible by 3, so 3, 1 as it is, 5 as it is, 3 5s are 15. Now 5, 1, 1s are 1s are. So till you get 1 for all the 3 numbers, you have to go on dividing. Now LCM, multiply all, 1, 2, 2 times 2, 2 times 3 and 1 time 5. 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 10s are 180. Is it clear? Now coming to the next 24, 90, 48. Even numbers, so start with the 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 remains, 5s are 10, 2s are 4, 4s are 8. Now even numbers, 2, 6 are 12, 45 as it is, 1s are 2, 2s are 4. Now again even number, 2, 3s are 6, 45 as it is 6 are 12. Now again 6 is an even number, so 2, 3 as it is, 45 as it is, 3s are 6. Now take 3. तो पहले 2 का सब खत्म करो, सब नंबर्स के, फिर नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर में जाओ. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 1 remain, 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3. Again 3, because 15 is divisible by 3. 1 as it is, 5s are 15, 1. Now 5. 1 1 1. Now LCM is equal to 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4, 3 2 times and 5 1 time. Okay, 2 5s are 10. Keep it aside. Now 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 9. 8 9s are 72 and 10, 720. Okay. LCM, it will be a bigger number, remember. Now coming to question number C. 4 numbers are there, 30, 24, 36, 16, all are even. So 2 ones are 1 remain, 5s are 10, ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 1 remains, 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Now again even, so 2, 15 as it is, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 4s are 8. Again even, so 2, 15 as it is, 3s are 6, 9 as it is, 2s are 4. Again 2 is there, so 2, 15 as it is, 3 as it is, 9 as it is, 2 ones are 2. Now 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, 1. Now again 3 is there, 3, 5 as it is, 1, ones are 3, 1. Now 5, ones are 5, 1, 1, 1. Understood? So LCM is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 3, 2 times and 5. Okay, 2 and 5, 10. Keep it aside. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 3 3s are 9, 8 9s are 72, 2 5s are 10. That is why 720. Is it okay? देखो इधर भी 720 आया, इधर भी 720 आया. सेम नंबर्स आ सकते हैं एलसीएम. Numbers are different. Okay. Now 16, 48 and 64 all are even. So start with 2, 8s are 16, 2s are 4, 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2s are 4. Again 2, 4s are 8, 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 remain, 6 are 12. Now again even 2, 2s are 4, 6 are 12, 8s are 16. Now again even 2, 1s are 2, 3s are 6, 4s are 8. Even 2, 1 as it is, 3 as it is, 2s are 4. Again 2, 1, 3 as it is, 1s are. Now it is 3. 1, 1s are 3, 1. So LCM is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1 time 3. Okay, now to multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 8s are 64 into 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18, 19. So you got the LCM 192. Is it okay? So that was question number D. Now coming to the question number E, same method. Okay, hope you are getting the confidence. The method is easy, isn't it? So 35, 49, 91. Now not possible with the 2 because they are not even numbers. Now check for 3. 5 plus 3, 8, not possible. 9 plus 4, 13, not possible. 9 plus 1, 10, not. So 5. 5 sevens are 35, 49 as it is, 91 as it is. Now next is 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7, 8, 9. 2 remains, 2 and 1, 21. 7 threes are 21. Now again 7, 1 as it is, 1s are 7, 13 as it is. Now 13 is a prime number, 1, 1, 1s are. So LCM is equal to 5 into 7 into 7 into 13. You multiply and see, you will get the answer 3185. 3185. Okay. Now coming to 20, 25, 30. Question number F, 20, 25, 30. So even numbers start with 2, 1s are 0, 25 as it is, 1s are 2, 1 remains, 5s are 10. Even number, divide by 2, 5s are 25 as it is, 15 as it is. Not divisible by 2, this is 3. Divisible by 3, yes or no? So 5 as it is, 25 as it is, 3 5s are 15. Now 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 1s are 5. Again 5, 1 as it is, 1s are 5, 1 as it is. Is it clear? So LCM is equal to 2, 2 times, 3, 1 time, 5, 2 times. 5 2s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 10 10s are 100 into 3, 3 into 100, 300. Okay. Now coming to the last two sums of this method. Hope you are gaining confidence. Chalo. 12, 16, 24, 36. All are even. 2. 6 are 12, 8 are 16, 1s are, 2s are, 1s are 2, 1 remain, 8s are 16. Again 2, 3s are 6, 4s are 8, 6s are 12, 9s are 18. Again even numbers 2, 3 as it is, 2s are 4, 3s are 6, 9 as it is. Again 2, 3 as it is, 1s are 2, 3 as it is, 9 as it is. Now 2 over, now coming to 3. 3 1s are, 1 as it is, 1s are, 3s are 9. Now 3. 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 1s are 3. Okay. So LCM is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 3, 2 times. 8, 9, isn't it? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9. 9 8s are 72. 72 into 2. It is 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Is it okay? Now coming to the last sum of this method. Now again it is an even number. 2 2s are 4, 0 2s are 4, 4s are 8, 45 as it is. Even number. 2 1s are 0, 1s are 2s are 4. Now not possible, write as it is. Now 2 5s are 10, 6s are 12, 45 as it is. Again 2 5 as it is, 3s are 6, 45 as it is. Now try with 3. 5 as it is, 1s are 3, 1s are 3, 1 remains, 5s are 15. 15 divisible by 3. So 5 as it is, 1 as it is, 5s are 15. Now 5. 1s are 5, 1 as it is, 1s are 5. LCM 1 2 3 4. 4 times 1 2 3 4. 1 times 3 5. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Hello, 2 times 3, sorry. So it is a 2 times 3, isn't it? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 8 9s are 72 and 2 5s are 10. Answer is 720. Hope you understood this method. Slow and steady wins the race. You have to be careful each and every step. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching the video. All the best.